If you are a small YouTube channel and you want that when a big YouTube channel video is playing, your own video should be suggested, then keep watching. There is actually a way to achieve this. Many people use paid tools, but today I will show you how to achieve it for free so you can start tapping views from big channels. So the first thing you need to set properly on your channel is your channel keyword or channel tag. You need to understand that channel tags are different from video tags. Don't worry, I will show you step by step how to find and set them up. Just let me first explain why these channel tags are important. But first, here's a quick question for you. If your channel is about sport and when you post a video, YouTube shows it to people who are interested in cooking, do you think your channel will be successful? Of course not. That is why channel tags are important. They help YouTube to understand what your channel is about, and this help links your channel to other similar channels. So when next you post a video, instead of YouTube showing it to wrong viewers, YouTube will scan your channel tags and pushes your video to the right audience. This helps your channel grows properly. It's important to note that this is not a quick success method. It may take time, but it increases your chances of success. So after that explanation, you should know that your channel tags is different from your video tags when you are uploading a video. So here is the difference and how to get to them separately. But first, if you want to get to your channel tags, when you are on the YouTube homepage, you click on your profile, you click on the YouTube studio. When you are now on the YouTube studio, you scroll and then you come here and you click on this setting. On this left side, click on setting. Then you arrive here now, you come and you click on your channel. And here is it, keywords. Here is keywords for this channel. So this is where you are going to be adding them. In default, this place will be empty. So you need to come here now and you do the research that I'm about to show you. Then you come here and you put in your keywords. This is very important. And to see your video tags when you want to upload a video, let me just do it fast. You come to create, you go to upload a video. Then when you tap to upload now your video like this, if you scroll down, you click on show more, you scroll down, then you have now your video tags. So the video tags is different from your channel tags. So now I'm going to show you how to get good and relevant tags for your channel. Some people use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to do what we are about to do now. But if you want to get the best out of some of these tools, you have to pay for them. However, if you want to do this for free, then follow closely because I'll be showing you two methods so you can choose which you like best. So let's start. So the first method is we can actually model what is already working. That is, you can just visit any YouTube channel in your niche and then you collect the keywords the channel is using. That sounds very easy, right? No, it is not. There's actually a problem. But there's actually a problem because at the time of recording this video, if you visit any YouTube channel, there is no way you can see or even copy the keywords that the channel is using. But there's actually a free tool that can help you to extract keywords, channel keyword from any channel, which I'll be sharing with you now. And another important thing you should note is that you should not just take channel keyword from any channel. It's good to take channel keyword from channels that are doing well in your niche. I repeat, in your niche. It should be in your niche. Don't just take any random channel keyword and use it. So let me show you now step by step. For example, if your channel is about make money online, just come to the search bar and you do a search for your keyword, make money online. Now, if there's any channel here that I have seen that the channel is getting views and I want to model my channel from. So all I have to do now is I'm going to click on the channel, click on the video on the channel. Then now we are going to click on the profile. We want to actually visit the channel. So when you are here now on the channel, you have to come now and you copy the channel handle, not the channel name. not the channel name, the channel handle. In some cases, the channel handle is not always the same as the channel name. So we copy by the channel handle. This is the channel handle here, or this is it again up here. Then you visit this tool now. So here is the tool, here is the website, Tune Pocket. Actually, you don't even have to create an account. So you can create an account if you want, but actually, you don't even have to create an account for what we are about to do. So you just come here, click on tools, you scroll down until where you see, you scroll down to where you see YouTube channel keywords. You click on it. Then here now you are going to paste in the channel handle that we copied earlier. Then you click now on I'm not a robot. So it's like if you, after doing that, you click now on review keyword. Wow, this is interesting. They say no keyword found in this channel. It's like this channel is not using any keyword. Let's just go back and check another one real fast. So let's just do it again. You copy it from Ali Abdel's channel. You copy it. You come to the website. You paste. I'm not a robot. Then you click on review keyword. And as you can see, this is the keyword Ali Abdel is using in his channel. As you can see, he's using most of his name in his key as keyword. That's interesting. So that is the first method. I'm going to show you the second method now, so you can choose which one you like best. But before we get there, please like the video if it was helpful so far. So in this next method, I will be using ChatGPT. Follow closely because there are some prompts you need to use correctly. But you can use any text conversational AI model. Eh. So first, I want you to list all the main things you will be covering in your channel, all the main things that you'll be talking about. You list them. For example, here is the main things I'll be covering in my channel. I want to help people make money online. I want to help people start faceless YouTube channels. Just list it like that. Go ahead, list all the main things that you want to help people with. Then, then now I want you to go in with this prompt. Give me 15 good YouTube channel tags which are relevant in my channel and will help other channels suggest my videos. This is very important. And will help other channels suggest my videos. Don't number it. Just separate them using a comma. I just add this at the end because if you don't do that, then YouTube is going to this ChatGPT is going to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, right up to 15. And if you want to take that to add it to your channel tags, you have to be copy it one by one. Then you start removing the numbers. So that's why I just added this separate using just a comma. After that, now you just click on it. So now when you click on it now like that, it's going to provide you with your tags. You just have come now, you copy them, then you go and you add it to your YouTube channel tags section. So another very important thing you can do is to take some of these keywords, just some few that you think that are very important, and use them in your channel description. Channel description is different from video description when you're uploading a video. To get to your channel description, when you are on this dashboard, you scroll and you come to customization. You scroll down. Here is your channel description. Here is it, your channel description. Now let me show you how to write this using some few keywords in ChatGPT. So you say here is the main channel tags for my channel. You just come here and then you just copy some few that you know that is very relevant. Don't copy all, if not it's going to be too crowded. You want to just be simple. So you just go in like that. Write me a good YouTube channel description based on these keywords. ChatGPT already knows that you want to do, you want your channel to be up, you want to optimize the SEO of your channel. You see, it has already suggested that. Here's a clear SEO friendly YouTube channel description. So you see, clear, short and simple like that. You can just come and then you copy it, and then you go and you paste it. You can always edit it if you want. But if you do all what we have been talking about and finally YouTube start pushing your video, but people don't click on the video, this is usually because your video has low click-through rate. And this is the worst situation you don't want to be in if you want to be successful on YouTube. Because no matter how YouTube pushes your video, if people don't click, then you will get no views. But you can fix and optimize your click-through rate. Watch this next video to understand how.